Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious breakfast. French ham, egg, and cheese. So let's get started. So we have a green pepper here, half a poblano pepper. It's mildly hot. And we're going to use our aceti knife, the chef knife. See how sharp it is? Alright, let's do it. Yeah, it's definitely sharp. Then what we're going to do is we're going to bunch them together and just chop them up. Okay, some of them you can leave big. That's good. Okay, put them in a bowl. Okay, now we're going to use about a half of a yellow onion. And we'll go ahead and chop that up. Boy, that knife's sharp. Gotta watch your fingers. Okay, we'll put that in a bowl. Okay, now put these aside. And we're going to take our bread. You got 4 slices. And we're going to go ahead and cut them up. Okay, and we'll turn it sideways here, and we'll cut them the other way. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to put them in a bowl. Looks like a lot of bread, doesn't it? There you go. Can you see it? That's 4 slices of bread cubed up. Okay, let's put our bread aside. Now we have 5 slices of ham here. Lunch meat. We got 5. Now we're just going to take 2. And we're going to make strips out of these. Just cut them into strips. Just like that. Okay. Now we're going to put them in a bowl. Okay, nice. So we have our 3 slices of ham here, whole, and we got them stripped up a little bit in strips. You know, nice. Okay, good. All right, we'll put these aside. Now we need 3 eggs. So just crack some eggs. Three large eggs. Now we're going to add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, tiny bit of garlic powder, some onion powder, and a tiny bit of smoked paprika. Yep, we love our paprika. And we're going to mix that up. Okay, here's what we got. We have 3 eggs beaten up, with seasoning. We have about a half a cup of cheese, grated. We have onions, maybe a half of an onion, chopped up. Green peppers, a half a green pepper, mildly hot green pepper. Boy, they're good. They're really good. And we have 3 pieces of ham here, yep. And we have 2 more pieces of ham over here, sliced up in little strips. And that's good. Boy, that sounds good already, and we didn't even start cooking yet. It smells good too. Or maybe that's my nose playing tricks on me, I don't know. Okay, let's start cooking. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna set our burner to medium. Let our pan heat up a little bit. Put a little oil in the pan. Now we're gonna add our chopped onions. Okay. And we're gonna add our green peppers, mildly hot green peppers. We'll save a couple of them for like a garnish on top. Stir that in a little bit. Okay, we're going to cover that and let them get soft a little bit, sweat down a little. Yeah, this universal lid comes in really handy. It fits the smaller pans too and the larger. So, and it also comes with a bigger one. So let's see how we're doing. Looking good. Okay, we'll cover them and let them go a little longer. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to add our strips of ham that we chopped up. And we're going to put that right in there. Now we only need to warm these up, but that's what I like to do. Boy, it's starting to smell good already. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our 3 slices of ham that we have here, and I'll put them in there just to warm them up a little, because they don't really need to be cooked. They're already, you know, like lunch meat. And we're going to cover that, let that warm up just a little bit, and then we're going to put it aside. Okay, let's give them a check here. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Alright, that's good. We'll just go ahead and put that aside. And we'll turn off our burner. Let it cool down a little bit. Now we're going to take another pan, put it on the burner here, and set it to medium-low. Put a little oil in the pan. Now you can use butter, you can use whatever you like. This is canola oil. And we're going to take our bread. And we're going to put all our bread in there. That's 4 slices of bread all cubed up. Now we're going to take our egg mixture. Pour that on top. And we're going to stir that around. Just keep stirring until you mix it all together. You don't want to smash the bread too much. You just want to mix it together. Once you got it mixed the way you want it, just spread it out. Boy, that smells good already, you know, with all the seasonings and stuff that's in there. Really nice. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of cheese. Okay, a lot of cheese. Okay, that's good. Can you see me putting it on there? All right, that's better. Good. Now we're going to take our ham. We'll take our ham here and put these 2, maybe 3 big pieces right on there. Spread them out a little. Okay, that looks good. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put more cheese on. Yep. We love cheese. Let's put the rest of this cheese on there if you want. Or you can put as much as you like. We like cheese, so. You might even need more cheese before we're done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the rest of our green peppers, onions, and sliced ham here. Put that right on top. Spread it around a little, make it look nice. Yeah, it's getting bigger. Stuff always gets bigger, it seems, when I'm cooking. Like, you're only supposed to feed 2, or 3, but it somehow turns out you can feed, like, you know, you call up a couple friends. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now we'll just fix that up a little. Make it look nice. Get the ham where you want it and all that. Make it, you know, so everybody gets a piece. So I don't think they'll miss a piece because there's so much ham. Yep, you know what it needs? A little more cheese. Just on top there, little light coating. Wow, this is loaded with cheese. Do you like cheese? Well, you got it in this one. This is it's a delicious breakfast. French ham, egg, and cheese. Boy, is that starting to smell really good. And it's got plenty of cheese. Maybe there's a way we can word that to say plenty of cheese or a load of cheese. But can you ever have too much cheese? I don't know. Maybe. Remember them mildly hot green peppers we had? We're going to spritz them on top just to make it like a little garnish. Yeah. Add a little crunch and a little heat to the very top. Yep, there's a couple little ones left. Okay. Now we're just going to add a little bit of salt on top of that. Tiny bit of pepper. And we are going to put a little garlic powder right on top. Tiny bit of onion powder because we have onions in there. And because we like smoked paprika, we're going to use the smoky kind on top. Just to make it look nice. Tastes good too. Okay. Now you have it there, guys. We're going to cover this up and let that cook for about 5 or so minutes, maybe even 8 minutes, till that forms a nice crust on the bottom and everything melts. Okay, it's been almost 8 minutes. Let's see how we did. Oh yeah, everything nice and melted. Boy, let's shut off our burner. Look at that. Here, can you see that? Boy, does that look good. Wow, I bet you that's going to be tasty. You're not just kidding. Okay, I can't wait to get into that. We're going to have to plate that up and give it a test. It smells wonderful. Okay, guys, let's see if we can get this out of there. All right. Here we go. Beautiful. Yeah, let me see if I can give you a close-up of that. Boy, is that tasty looking. It smells wonderful. I can't wait to get into it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get into that. Now, I'm going to use a little pizza cutter here. Hopefully it's big enough. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Maybe we'll go this way. Wow, is that got a lot in there. Yep, lots of cheese. A lot of cheese. All right, there we go. I think we got her. Well, there you have it. A delicious breakfast, French ham, egg, and a lot of cheese. With green peppers, mildly hot, and onions. Boy, does that look good. Smells good too. Okay, we just got to get into a little taste here. Let's see what we can do here. You know what? That's a big one. That's really big. You know what? I'm just going to use my hand. All right, let's do that. Oh, yeah, look at the cheese. Can you see that? The cheese. Look at that. This is a different kind of French toast. I don't think there's toast in there. But yeah, we just got to have a little bite. Oh my gosh. You're going to love this one. I hope you can see that because it's beautiful. I wish I could show you the crust because it's golden brown. Maybe I can. See it? I don't want to dump my toppings. And the peppers are mildly hot on there. Except for them ones on the top. They give you a little bit of a bite. The ones inside there, since we sauteed them, they're not as hot. So that's good. Okay guys, there you have it. A delicious breakfast, French ham and egg, and a lot of cheese. Boy, you're going to love this one. Well, since the word French is in the title, I think I'm just going to have a glass of wine with this. Because I'm going to have this for dinner. Or a late lunch. That sounds good. Good.